We get it. We've all been there. We see a cute guy or girl that we really want to talk to, but we're too nervous to strike up a conversation. Luckily for you, there's a new app that helps to break the ice and avoid the awkward conversation. Swept Up app is a great way to discreetly meet people you see in your everyday life. It's the perfect way for the shy individual or person who's having a hard time just starting a conversation out of thin air. To do so, users simply log onto the app with their Google or Facebook information, or by creating an account through the app. Active users can detect other nearby users and start a chat. Simply send them a wink on Swept Up and that person will see your picture and that you're interested. Maybe they've noticed you too. They can then send a wink or a message back and start a conversation via the app. Both users will remain anonymous unless they decide to meet personally. If they wish to stop chatting or want to remove themselves from the radar, they can simply close the app and other users will no longer be able to find them. See someone you've always wanted to talk to but were too nervous? The Swept Up app is the perfect way to eliminate those awkward, ice-breaking conversations and connect. So what are you waiting for? Download the Swept Up app today.